In today's video, we're reviewing the Brita Water Filter Pitcher. This product is designed for tap and drinking water, making it an excellent choice for those who want cleaner water and a sustainable alternative to bottled water. 1. Product features. Size and capacity. This pitcher has a 6-cup capacity, ideal for small families. Its compact size makes it easy to store in the fridge. Filtering efficiency. It comes with a standard filter that lasts for up to 2 months or filters approximately 40 gallons of water. Removes harmful contaminants. Brita filters remove impurities like chlorine, copper, zinc, mercury, and cadmium, improving both the taste and smell of your water. BPA-free. The pitcher is made with BPA-free materials, ensuring it's safe for your health and eco-friendly. 2. How to use. Soak the filter in cold water for a few minutes before first use. Insert the filter into the pitcher's slot. Pour water into the pitcher and discard the first 2 rounds of filtered water to activate the filter. After that, enjoy safe and clean water. 3. Why choose Brita Water Filter Pitcher? Eco-friendly. Using this pitcher helps reduce the use of plastic bottles, minimizing plastic waste and protecting the environment. Health-conscious choice. Its advanced filtering technology ensures safe and drinkable water. Budget-friendly. Compared to buying bottled water, this pitcher is a cost-effective solution for long-term use. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact and portable design. Efficient and quick water filtration. Affordable and long-lasting. Cons. Filters need to be replaced every 2 months. Not sufficient for larger families. 5. Customer feedback. According to reviews on Amazon, customers love the filtering quality and compact design, which fits perfectly in the fridge. However, some find the cost of replacing filters slightly high. 6. Where to buy. You can purchase the Brita Water Filter Pitcher exclusively on Amazon. It's a budget-friendly solution, priced between $20 and $30, and often comes with discounts or offers. The Brita Water Filter Pitcher is a fantastic investment for anyone who values clean, safe drinking water. It's easy to use, eco-friendly, and perfect for small households. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Ready to make the switch? Click the link in the description to get your Brita Water Filter Pitcher from Amazon today. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.